Once upon a time, in a village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling lake, lived a little girl named Matilda. Matilda was an extraordinary girl with a vivid imagination and a thirst for adventure. Every night before bed, she would snuggle into her cozy bed, surrounded by her beloved stuffed animals, and embark on magical journeys to faraway lands. One day, while exploring her attic, Matilda stumbled upon an old trunk filled with her grandmother's belongings. As she rummaged through the trunk, she discovered a beautifully carved wooden box. Intrigued, she opened the box and found a magnificent bedspread adorned with twinkling stars and a leather-bound storybook. That very night, as Matilda lay in bed, she wrapped herself in the enchanted bedspread. As she did, the room began to shimmer and transform into a whimsical fairyland. The walls became translucent, revealing a starry sky filled with dancing fairies. A tiny door made of spun sugar appeared in the corner, inviting Matilda to step through. Curious and excited, she opened the book. Its pages were filled with enchanting tales of mythical creatures and faraway lands. As Matilda read each story, the illustrations on the page came to life, creating a magical world around her. With every turn of the page, the room shifted and changed, reflecting the fantastical stories from the book. In one tale, she found herself shrunk to the size of an ant, crawling through blades of grass that towered over her like trees. Another story transported her to a land where candy cane forests shimmered under a chocolate waterfall. And yet another adventure took her to a mystical island inhabited by friendly dragons, who loved to share their wisdom and play hide and seek. Through these enchanting tales, Matilda learned valuable lessons about friendship, courage, and kindness. She befriended a talking cat who helped her solve riddles and navigate enchanted mazes. She also encountered grumpy trolls living under bridges, who taught her the importance of appreciating the beauty in the world. As the night wore on, Matilda read more stories, each one more thrilling and imaginative than the last. The book seemed to have endless tales to tell, and with each turn of the page, her room became a canvas for new adventures. But as the first rays of sunlight peeked through her window, Matilda knew it was time to return. With a heavy heart, she closed the book, and the magical world around her slowly faded away, leaving behind only the faint scent of adventure. As she snuggled into her bed, the book in her hands, Matilda realized that the true magic lay not in the enchanting tales or the shifting rooms, but in the power of imagination and the joy of reading. The stories had taught her valuable lessons, but they had also ignited her creativity and inspired her to dream beyond the ordinary. From that day forward, Matilda continued to explore the magical realms within the book, and her love for reading grew with each passing year. The attic became her sanctuary, and the trunk with the star-filled bedspread became a treasured part of her bedtime routine. And so, dear listeners, whenever you find yourself enveloped in the pages of a good book, remember the enchanting tales and the shifting rooms of Matilda's magical bedtime adventures. And never stop exploring the boundless realms of your own imagination, for within those realms, anything is possible. And the magic of stories will forever be waiting to transport you to worlds beyond your wildest dreams. The end.